Xiaomi has unveiled two phones at its launch event in Shenzhen, the Mi 8 and the Mi 8 Explorer Edition, which has an in-display fingerprint reader and a transparent back. The Chinese manufacturer is rolling out a third variant dubbed the Mi 8 SE that's aimed at a lower price point. As expected, the Mi 8 SE is the watered-down version of the flagship, and at first glance, it looks more boxy with no curved edges. Furthermore, the device is the first smartphone to house the Snapdragon 710 chip, which is Qualcomm's most powerful mid-range chipset. Even though it doesn't have the 3D Face ID or in-display fingerprint scanner, the Mi 8 SE comes with impressive specs and features. When we look at design, the Mi 8 SE sports an aluminium alloy overall unibody with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on top. It reflects light in the most subtle way, just like the Mi 8. As stated above, it has a boxy look with no curved edges. We can also see the dual shooters at the top left corner, with the dual LED flash sitting in between. There's no Face ID here. You have to depend on the rear fingerprint scanner for quick access to the device. It measures just 7.5 mm in thickness, which is more slimmer than the Mi 8, weighing less as well at 164 grams. It's available in grey, blue, red and gold colors. When we look at display, all three smartphones introduced by Xiaomi today sports the trending notched screen. But it seems the SE screen isn't as tall as the rest, plus there are much bezels all over here than the others. The bottom bezel is also very thick and annoying to look at. The device was built around a smaller 5.88-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. This has a resolution of 1080 by 2244 pixels and a sharper 423 pixel per inch density. Disappointingly, it could only get up to 81.3% screen-to-body ratio, compared to others. Nonetheless, the screen still has HDR10 complaint, DCI-P3 color gamut and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on top. It also handles 600 nits peak brightness for better outdoor visibility. Now we have a look at hardware and software. This is the first device, with the Snapdragon 710 chip. It's paired with an octa-core processor and 64-bit CPU architecture. The 8 cores of processor here runs at a fast speed of 2.2 GHz with 10 nanometers FinFET process technology as well. A new graphics processor, the Adreno 616 controls graphics here. There are two versions in terms of RAM here. There's one with 6 GB of RAM and another with 4 GB of RAM. Both RAM space has a memory speed of over 1 GHz. For storage, there's just 64 GB available on both variants, with no option to upgrade further. The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with the new MIUI 10. When we look at the camera quality, the cameras on the Xiaomi Mi 8 SE is different from the one on the Mi 8. The SE sports dual 12MP plus 5MP shooters with f/1.9 and f/2.0 aperture respectively. The first camera on top is a 12MP shooter with 1.4 micrometers pixel size, dual pixel PTAF and gyro is, while the second 5MP telephoto camera underneath the dual LED flash has 1.12 micrometers pixel size. Features on the cameras include dual pixel phase detection, autofocus, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama and the usual AI enhancements like beautification, bokeh and scene recognition. Videos are shoot at 2160p at 60 fps and 1080p at 30/120 fps. For selfies, the same 20MP selfie shooter is present here with f/2.0 aperture, AI beautification and 2.0 micrometers pixel size. When we look at the battery performance, powering the Xiaomi Mi 8 SE is a 3120 mAh non-removable LiPo battery with fast charging technology. With the fast charging feature, charging the battery from 0% to 100% shouldn't take up to 1.7 hours. The Mi 8 SE will go up for sale in China next month for 1,799 yen, or $280. There's no information regarding global availability yet, but we should know more in the coming weeks. This is all about Xiaomi Mi 8 SE. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.